You won't believe the one herb that pharma companies try to ban. It's a plant so powerful, it's been used for centuries to cure everything from inflammation to infections. But what really got Big Pharma's attention was its potential to disrupt the multi-billion-dollar pharmaceutical industry. With over $1.2 trillion in annual sales, the pharmaceutical industry has a lot to lose if people start turning to natural remedies. And that's exactly what's happening, with 62% of Americans using herbal supplements and 75% of doctors recommending them to their patients. The herb in question is turmeric, a spice commonly found in Indian and Middle Eastern cooking. But don't let its everyday use fool you. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that rival those of prescription medications. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that curcumin was effective in reducing symptoms of arthritis by 50% in just 6 weeks. And that's not all. Curcumin has also been shown to have anti-cancer properties, with a study published in the Journal of Nutrition finding that it reduced the growth of cancer cells by 90%. But despite its proven track record, Big Pharma has been working to suppress the use of turmeric and other herbal remedies. In the 1990s, the pharmaceutical industry launched a campaign to discredit herbal supplements, claiming that they were unregulated and unsafe. But the truth is, herbal remedies have been used for centuries, and when used properly, they can be just as effective as prescription medications. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that herbal remedies were responsible for just 1% of all adverse reactions to medications, compared to 50% for prescription medications. So why is Big Pharma so scared of turmeric and other herbal remedies? The answer is simple: money. The pharmaceutical industry makes billions of dollars each year selling prescription medications, and if people start turning to natural remedies, that revenue stream is going to dry up. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Pharmaceutical Marketing found that the pharmaceutical industry spends over $20 billion each year on marketing and advertising, with much of that money going towards convincing doctors to prescribe their latest and greatest medications. But the truth is, herbal remedies like turmeric are not just a fad. They're a proven way to improve your health and well-being. And with the rise of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, it's more important than ever to take a proactive approach to your health. So don't wait any longer to start exploring the world of herbal remedies. With over 1,000 studies confirming the efficacy of turmeric and other herbal supplements, it's clear that they're a viable alternative to prescription medications. And with 80% of people reporting improved health after using herbal remedies, it's no wonder that they're becoming increasingly popular. The implications of this are enormous. If people start turning to natural remedies, the pharmaceutical industry is going to have to adapt. And that's exactly what's happening. More and more pharmaceutical companies are starting to invest in natural remedies, with some even launching their own lines of herbal supplements. But don't expect them to give up without a fight. The pharmaceutical industry is a powerful lobby, and they'll stop at nothing to protect their interests. As the demand for natural remedies continues to grow, it's likely that we'll see even more pharmaceutical companies getting into the game. And that's not necessarily a bad thing. With more research and development going into natural remedies, we can expect to see even more effective treatments for chronic diseases. But it's also important to remember that natural remedies are not a replacement for conventional medicine. They're a complement, a way to take a proactive approach to your health and well-being. In the end, it's up to you to decide what's best for your health. But one thing is clear: the one herb that pharma companies try to ban is a powerful tool in the fight against chronic disease. With its proven track record and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is a natural remedy that's worth exploring. So why not give it a try? With so much evidence backing its efficacy, it's hard to go wrong. Subscribe for ancient healing wisdom. Visit dominionhealing.org for books and protocols.